The fact that crypterium is placed 856 on the digital currency market shows that CRPT has a very large market cap of $8,458,797 and a 24-hour trading volume of $838,103. If you are a crypto investor and want to know what the crypterium price forecast is for the end of 2023, you can find that information here. What will crypterium really be worth in 2023? This is important because, contrary to what most people think, crypterium is a very smart investment or was really worth buying in 2023. Well, unlike what most people think, CRPT prices normally go up after hitting all-time highs. These are our predictions for how much crypterium will cost in the future, which is mostly very important. Crypterium price forecast technical study and the crypterium price prediction show that, contrary to what most people think, the CRPT price is likely to cross a sort of average price level of 12 cents in 2023. They thought that at the end of the year, the average lowest price of crypterium would be 12 cents and the average highest price would be 13 cents. Crypterium value estimate the price of crypterium is projected to reach at least 9 cents in May 2023. This is a very big number. In 2023, the CRPT price could go as high as 10 cents and be worth 9 cents on average. Most things cost a lot more than this. Crypterium value gauge in June 2023, the price of a crypterium could be as low as 9 cents or as high as 10 cents. The average price of a piece of paper is projected to be 9 cents in June 2023. CRPT value scale July 2023. The crypterium number for July 2023 says that the CRPT could hit an all-time high of 11 cents, with a very low price of around 9 cents compared to the average value. Most people don't know that CRPT can usually run to about 10 cents in July. Crypterium value estimate. Despite what most people think, the price of crypterium is projected to reach at least 10 cents in August 2023. They thought that by 2023, the price of a CRPT could hit between 10 and 11 cents. Crypterium price prediction for September 2023. Despite what most people think, the price of crypterium in September 2023 should be at least 10 cents. Crypterium can cost up to 12 cents, and on average, it costs 11 cents, which is a very big amount. How much people think crypterium will cost in October 2023? Around October 2023, the outright lease price for crypterium is likely to be 11 cents, and the highest price for CRPT could be 12 cents. The average estimated price is about 11 cents, which shows that the CRPT price could go as high as 11 cents and stay around 10 cents on average until 2023. Crypterium value gauge November 2023. The average price of crypterium in November 2023 is predicted to be 11 cents, with a high of 13 cents and a low of 11 cents. The coin could be sold for anywhere between 13 cents and 11 cents in a quiet way. They thought that the price of crypterium in December 2023 could be anywhere from 12 cents to 13 cents. Even though the usual exchange rate should be around 12 cents, the value of crypterium has dropped by 1.54% in the last 24 hours. It's a big fall. If we look at the market cap of the CRPT today and compare it to what it was yesterday, we can see that the market cap is also down in every way that matters. In the last month, the price of CRPT fell by 24.472%, which is the same as losing 2 cents from its present value. This rapid drop means the coin is in plunge, which could be a good time to buy if you want to make a quick investment. The 90-day price difference for crypterium is about 20.65%, and the price went from an average of 6 cents to an average of 7 cents. This shows that the price has been going up. This is very important, so we think that parts of the market like this one were very famous back then. The price of the coin has usually gone up by 16.92%. The average price of the coin was about 10 cents at its best and about 7 cents at its lowest. Exceptionally, what will crypterium really be worth in 2023, after 4 months, which is very important? Most people thought that by the end of 2023, the CRPT price would go as high as 13 cents and as low as 12 cents. This is basically a second look at how to figure out how much crypterium September 2023 will be worth in September 2023. In a real survey, not just a made-up one, the price of crypterium is at least 10 cents, which is a very big amount. Does crypterium have a very important future in terms of its value? People think that CRPT will grow slowly and modestly.
On bottom. The index is now at 50.09, and BTC is selling at $28,591.66. It has come back from its earlier low. Not only was BTC in the red, but Ethereum, ETH, prices also fell for the second day in a row. ETH/USD hit its lowest point of the day at $1,829.41, less than 24 hours after dealing at its highest point of $1,938.42. Like BTC, Ethereum went below its own point of support at the $1,830 level after today's drop. Since then, ETH has climbed back up from this floor because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain what people who want to invest in Bitcoin, which is still selling at 50% less than its highest point, need to do. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, BTC, the king of cryptocurrencies, has had a rough year in 2022. Bitcoin shot past $69,000 in November 2021, when it was at its highest point. It is now hanging around $30,000, which is the highest it has been since June 2022. In the wake of FTX's collapse, Bitcoin is working hard and has been able to keep up despite a lot of pressure on the market and confusion around the world. Overall, the cryptocurrency market has been going down and has been very unstable since FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, shut down. Aside from the FTX crash, the rising interest rates and fears of inflation have also done a lot to keep the prices of cryptocurrencies low. After last year's deadly November crash, when Bitcoin was trading between $16,000 and $18,000,